Now friends, here exercise 2.4, it's question number 5. If the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder comes out to be x plus a. Find k and a. हमको एक k फाइंड करना है और दूसरा है a फाइंड करना है. We have to find k and a. Here friends, this is very complicated sum, so we solve it very slowly and very perfectly. For that, first term divided by first term, we write here x square divided by x square, so remainder, so the answer be x square. This x square multiply these three terms, x square into x square, x raised to 4, x square into minus 2x, minus 2x cube, x square into positive plus kx square. Now we change the sign here. A plus a, it became minus, we write here plus, a minus. This term will be cut. Be careful while simplifying. Write the sign of the greater number. Do subtraction when the sign are different. So minus 4x cube. Here 16x square minus kx square. Keep attention properly. 16x square minus kx square. We take common x square from it. So here is remaining plus, ब्रैकेट में हम लिखेंगे 16 minus k into x square. From here I will take here 25x. Now first term divided by first term, what we write here? Minus 4xxx upon xx cut. Here is remaining minus 4x. So I write here minus 4x. Minus 4x into plus x square, positive negative 4x cube. Minus 4x into minus 2x, negative, positive 8x square, minus into plus, minus 4kx. Now change the sign here, plus, minus, plus. This term will be cut. Simplify of these two we do in rough work. Here 16 minus kx square minus 8x square, ये दोनों में से x square कॉमन निकलेगा. 16 minus k minus 8 and x square. 16 minus 8 minus k x square. So we write here 8 minus k x square. Simplify of these two. Also we write here minus 25x plus 4kx. We take common here only x. In the bracket minus 25 plus 4k into x. So we write here plus, bracket में minus 25 plus 4k into x. We take this 10 here. This 10 we take here. Now first term divided by first term, we write here 8 minus kx square upon x square का रिमाइंडर, इसका आंसर 8 minus k हुआ, so we write here plus here 8 minus k. Now this 8 minus k multiply all these three terms. Be alert. 8 minus k into x square, 8 minus kx square, 8 minus k into minus 2x. So we keep minus 2 as it is, 8 minus k as it is, and also we write here x. 8 minus k into k, 8 minus k into k. So we write here plus k and bracket में 8 minus k. Now friends, we have to change the sign here. ये दोनों प्लस है, माइनस प्लस माइनस. This term will be cut. Here इसका सिंप्लीफाई ध्यान रख के करना है. So we do it simplify here friends. Here minus 25 plus 4k into x plus 2 8 minus k into x. ये दोनों में से हम x कॉमन निकालेंगे तो ब्रैकेट में रहेगा minus 25 plus 4k plus 2 into 8 16, 2 into k minus 2k. We take common x here. 4k minus 2k, here is 2k, minus 25 plus 16 minus 9x. तो फ्रेंड्स इसका और इसका सिंपलीफाई हमको मिला प्लस ब्रैकेट में 2k minus 9 into x. Now इसका और इसका सिंपलीफाई, बी केयरफुल, राइट 10 here माइनस k ब्रैकेट में 8 minus k, 10 as it is, minus k into 8 minus 8k, minus into minus plus k square. So here we write plus 10 minus 8k plus k square. I show all the simplifying rough work. Now friends, here is the power x raised to 1 and here is the power x raised to 2. So the division is not possible now. It is our remainder and also there will be given the remainder x plus a. Comparing both these remainder. Look here friends. Comparing remainders. So x plus a is equal 2k minus 9x plus 10 minus 8k plus k square. Now here we x के साथ 1 है, x के साथ 2k minus 1 है. The coefficient of x is 1. The coefficient of x is 2k minus 1. So I write 1 is equal to 2k minus 9. And the second remainder friends, compare constant term a is equal 10 minus 8k plus k square. इसको नंबर 1 देंगे because from here we have to find two values k and a. For that we need two equation. Keep one as it is. Take this 9. Look here. This 9 we take here. It became plus 9 plus 1 10 is equal to k. This to we take in denominator. I write here in denominator. So the value of k is equal 5. It's very simple. Now the value of k substituted in this equation. K is equal 5. Sub in a is equal 10 minus 8k. 8k plus k square. A as it is, 10 as it is, 8 as it is, in place of k 5 plus 5 square. A is equal 10, 8 5s are 40 plus 5 square 25. So A is equal 25 plus 10, 35, 35 minus 40. So the value of A is equal minus 5. We find this is our two values, this answer and this is our answer. So it's very easy, very simple and very complicated. If you follow the rules, you can answer very easily. So हमको A करना है और यही लिखना है कि मैंने रफ वर्क में बताया है. Okay, so solve this sum. It's on this way. Thank you friends, enjoy it.